Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Credit One American Express card in-depth review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you are sitting with an average or fair credit score here, right around the 600 mark, finding a card that treats you like a valued customer without demanding a giant cash deposit can feel nearly impossible. That is exactly where the Credit One Bank Premier American Express card steps in as a brilliant hidden gem. Now, it is completely unsecured card, meaning you get to keep your cash in your pocket rather than tying up hundreds of dollars in a mandatory security deposit just to establish a line of credit. Now, best of all here, they make the initial process completely stress-free by letting you check your pre-qualification odds with a harmless soft credit check. So you can see exactly where you stand without dinging your score right out of the gate. Now, once you are up and running here, this card starts spurring on the value in a way that traditional starter cards simply cannot touch. Now, for starters, you earn unlimited 1% cash back on absolutely every single purchase you make, which automatically loads onto your account as a statement credit every month without you ever having to manually redeem points. But the absolute best thing here about this card is that it runs on the American Express network, unlocking a treasure trove of premium lifestyle perks usually reserved for top-tier luxury cards. Now, you get direct access to Amex offers for tailored shopping and dining discounts, exclusive pre-sale ticket, access to concerts and major sporting events, and surprisingly robust insurance policies like retail protection that covers your purchases against theft or accidental damage here for 90 days. It even includes extended warranty protection and secondary car rental insurance, so all while reporting your on-time habits to all three major credit bureaus to build your file. Now, just to give you some heads up here, in their fine print specifically, the card does come with a modest $39 annual fee, so you can easily wipe that out and break completely even just by using the card for about like $3,900 of your normal everyday spending over the course of the year. Now, the ongoing interest rate here sits on the higher side at 29.27 for 74% variable here, so you will definitely want to treat it like a debit card and clear your balance to zero every month to basically keep your rewards purely profitable. Now, ultimately here, if you want an accessible zero deposit card that showers you with genuine luxury network perks while actively polishing your credit score on autopilot, this card is a fantastic vehicle that delivers incredible value for your wallet. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.